G'day YouTube. We got a sort of decent sized tree that's got a lot of rot in the bottom of it, and the owners were very worried about it falling over that fence there, as you see in the background, and squashing all their nice trees. So he wanted to get it down. So you get to see a bit what we're doing, and I'll explain a bit more further on. So I've put a rope up in the tree, shot it up with a big shot launcher, and it's tied up in the top of the tree, and now we're going to pull it with the excavator as we cut it, because there's no real hinge wood, and I decided to have a bit more of a look and see what was inside it. Cut a bit of bark away, and as you can see, it's very hollow inside.
I was debating that.
Hey?
I said I was debating that.
Yeah, I think it might be better, you know, that way you can control the back and keep this front bit here.
Hey?
Just about rotting all the way through.
Yeah, it's got a fair bit there at the front, but
I reckon with the lanolene you got on him,
yeah, maybe just see.
you could cut the back on the other side.
You reckon the white ants are long gone?
Yeah, I think they've eaten all all that was left.
After they die, do they?
Go to the next tree. Move out.
Now have a look here. So it's leaning over to the right. It's got a bit of weight out to the right, and it's got no good wood for a hinge. All the a little bit of wood that's left is on the front, which normally you cut out for the scarf. So I had to just take a little tiny scarf. Basically, you can see there's not much actually green wood that's left. It's not rotten. So I had to do a little tiny scarf at the front and then cut from the back. But yeah, we were a bit worried about it just toppling over. As you can see there, it didn't even actually pull over where I was cutting. I didn't realise up a bit higher it was completely rotten through. And as he started pulling with the excavator, it just snapped off up higher.
Maybe.
I noticed that with the dozer.
Yeah.
Once they got the fumes, they got stirred up.
Well, they seemed pretty quiet there when I sat there for a minute with it over the log, but
had a bit of a look down the sort of trunk of it a bit, and there was actually a beehive, a decent sized beehive in there. So, but we wanted to cut the log and get it out of the way. I rang someone up, a beekeeper, to get them out because we like to save them whenever we can. So he's on his way, and we're just using the exhaust of the machine, a bit like smoke on a blower for beehives and that, and just keep them calm. But I don't know whether it works that well like smoke, but just moved it in the way basically, so it was between me and the beehive so we could cut the log up. once we sort of got into it, we realised how bad the tree actually was. It was very, very rotten. There's nothing inside it whatsoever. So it would have been only a matter of time before it fell down, and it probably would have went the wrong way.
Shit, ain't it? Crikey. Bloody hell.
There's the beekeeper guy. He's just turned up. We cut the piece out for him, and I had to actually run the saw down the length of it so we could cut it open. That way he had access to all the hive and everything, so he could try and find the queen.
All these combs collapsed on each other.
First you come down with a crash.
Yeah. So we'll see if the queen has survived. I'm just going to get my vehicle and...
I can't believe they don't attack you. Bloody hell.
Not yet.
Not yet.
And he spent a couple of hours sort of searching through it, grabbing all the honeycomb, and I didn't hear back from him at the end of it, but he thinks he might have got it and saved the hive, which is a good result for everyone. And the owner of the property, the client, was very happy, cleaned everything up, no mess, so it turned out to be a really good job.